Hey guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified.
Once Nansanya, let's be real with Michi. Nansanya, Aisha Modia ba out about Kizu or some threesome. Beer, because I read it to baby.
Oh, Jane home.
I would Jane home. And he had to say, dear, sir, but Shatta common. To that part, say threesome, no, and go for information about threesome. What is that? No, then I am.
No, that's a
song. Oh, it was. I like the action because in the course of that action, we might popcorn and come in. When you're happy, sometimes you don't have to speak. God makes people start to confess their sins. And then aside that, you know, I saw in another excerpt of an interview, Auntie Aisha or Penny, she my friend Auntie Aisha or Osi Onka Asem on and she made question at me because I said, was she in the midst of the threesome? Am I near for some? You're talking about it because you heard from somewhere. Sometimes the things I see online or I hear from other places, I'm like, wow, I really did this. Tell me about it. But for you to have so much courage to talk about something so sensitive, sexual and sensitive, you were not there. What if you, baby? The person who told you no was the person there. You know, we must know where to focus our energy. Yeah. That's the beef we're talking about. What did I do wrong?
Stray bullet, catch him.
I not go catch her. You go get them back to yourself.